Welcome to the 208th congregation of the University of Hong Kong. You all have worked very hard to reach this point in your lives, and you can be proud to call yourself alumni of Hong Kong U and members of a growing global faculty of faculty alumni. Well done.
Class 22 is a large class, filled with more possibilities and vitality. I am indeed very proud of being part of such an energetic, resilient, supportive, and diligent class.
Having realized that our profession indeed has a future, now it is necessary for you to plan your own future. As you're starting your professional career, it is a perfect time to think about your purpose in life. I wish that you will find your purpose in life, focus on things that matter most, live in an environment that supports your growth, and always, I mean always, live up to your own potential.
Six years in the Faculty of Dentistry has certainly prepared us for great things. We thank our tutors and clinical supervisors who equipped us as professionals with the best academic support and clinical training. Shout out to our nurses, lab technicians, and admin staff who are being extra helpful in facilitating our learning progress and clinical procedures. BD stress is a word that symbolizes all the tension and pressure we encountered every day as a BDS student. Graduating from dental school means that we are the ones to take full responsibility to our patients and is equivalent to the real adulting. Do cultivate a healthy relationship with BD stress, and I trust that we could make the world a better place. May the stress be with you. Congratulations and happy graduation, class of 2022.